Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram dark mode. To know how to fix Instagram dark mode, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, and when you will see this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram like this here. Then in this page you will go to force stop, and then when you will end here for stop you will go to storage and you will enter. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, then you will go to clear data and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.